Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. By taking a look at the hourly time frame for IOTA, the price moved up with around 3.6% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 2.08. But the volume wasn't very high, so the move wasn't very strong. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 20 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 2.05, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 2.1 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, we can see that the price is situated in the hourly ribbon, so it is yet to be seen if the price can break the resistance currently at around 2.1. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Jumping to the hourly MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the downside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate, and it is better to wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bearish. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 100 SMA to the downside. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. The current price is between the 200 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 2.08, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 2.1 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 2.11. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. But it's expected for the price to remain the same for some time because the MACD histogram shows that the momentum at the moment is shifting upwards. You should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could hold support, or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 2.03. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is above the daily ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 1.85. The support should be considered because the ribbon is more or less spread out. Moving to the daily MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. We can expect for the price to continue going down, or perhaps remain at least stable, because the MACD histogram shows the momentum currently being strong. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.